What a gorgeous glass-like peacock hair comb. Let's see how you can make one too. You will need 4 different colors of mica powder. The brand doesn't really matter and I am giving you some of the choices here. Also check the video description for where you can get them. And of course UV resin and the metal hair comb. Plus a paintbrush, something to apply the UV resin with, and some epoxy glue. First, apply some blue in the dots in the eyes of the peacock feathers. Use some blue as well on the upper neck of the peacock, the head, and on the wing. Next, apply some golden green around those eye feathers on the tail. If you have the green-yellow pearlex, that is all you need. Now take violet mica powder and apply some again in the center of the eye feathers on the tail. Then some more blue on top of the violet. That will create a blue-violet indigo iridescence. Once you are done, fill the mold with resin about halfway. Make sure that all the nooks and corners are filled. You don't want to fill all of it because you will need it to have a bit of concavity and because you want more iridescence. Cure the resin in your UV lamp or in the sun. Now apply some more mica powder on the resin. Blue on top of the eye feathers, as well as on the neck. And gold or green-yellow over the center of the tail. Use UV resin to fill the mold to full capacity this time. You will notice that this time the UV resin creates a slight concavity while it cures. That is perfect, and that is what you want, so that your hair comb will be slightly curved. Use epoxy glue to glue the metal hair comb to the back of the Peacock. I use here a folded paper towel to hold my Peacock level so that the metal hair comb will stay in place while the glue hardens. Once again, use the paper towel folded to hold the Peacock level so you can apply some UV resin on top of the base of the comb. That is to secure the comb in place. Cure the resin in your UV lamp or in the sun. And voila! Absolutely fabulous glass-like Peacock hair comb. So delicate and stylish.